image basically explains all of the tunes and all of the lines in the entire Shabath and which tune goes with which line. All of the matching colors are, the same tune. And if there are multiple colors on the line, it basically means you have to repeat the line in multiple tunes. This key coming back, it's technically optional because you can just go straight from here to here. But yeah, it starts right here. After you finish Godrat, you go here. So here's the thing. It's a lot of extra stuff, if I'm going to be honest, which you don't really need unless you want to. You can kind of just sing this part. So yeah, let me just show you how she does it exactly, and then I'll show you a simpler version. That is the full version. Okay, you might, if you need to rewatch it a few times, I would recommend it. But let's try to do the simpler version now. I don't know exactly what the difference is, but you can hear it, obviously. So here, I'll explain the simpler version more in depth, just because it's easier to explain it. These are the harder parts, in my opinion, on where to wait. So right here would be one of them. So right here, so it's 1, 2, 3, including the 2 words, right? And then right here, it's like for like very small amount of time. So it's very, very small amount of time on this key. So that would apply to all the other lines. So the next line is also the same tune. So let's see. So these 2 lines, right? The second half of the second line, you would do. So this is the exact same tune as Shabad, savaaranahaar, which is on the main line. So that's how you'd go back to the main line. This line, you have to fit the words in a specific way. Khare So it starts right here. And yeah, it's just. And then the second half is basically the second half of the other tunes. So this is everything of this line put together. Then you repeat the descending tune to get, like, transition back to the main line. And then the last 2 remaining lines are similar to all the other tunes that we have learned so far. Satigur